Hey everybody, Jeffrey here, and in today's video I thought I'd bring you along and show you all the gutters I have to clean out. I have 4.5 gutters to do, one in the front, one in the back, and 2 patio covers. And what I mean by the half is one that I have on the side of the house. Let me show you. So over here I have what I call my little half gutter, or should I say quarter gutter. It's exactly 3 feet long, so it's perfect for those gutter guards because they come in 3-foot sections. Before the tornadoes came, I used to have those kind of vinyl gutter guards that, the ones that the leaves would come over and then fly off, supposedly. Well, they didn't do that. They would come over the top, go inside the hole, and clog up the downspout. And with these, they come in 3 feet sections, so all you do is just place them right up underneath the shingle here and attach it to the gutter, and they never blow off. The leaves don't get caught in it. The only reason why I have to clean them out is because some of the holes get clogged up with dirt. So here we go. Alright guys, hopefully I'm done for the year. There are a lot of leaves left on those oak trees that actually sit in the front yard. They never really lose 100% of their leaves, so hopefully they won't get caught in any of these patio covers. You saw a lot of leaves coming out of them because the inside of the gutter on these are only 3 or 4 inches wide, so gutter guards or any other kind of covers won't fit them. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one.